Okay, here we're going to look at a very brief overview of allergies. Now keep in mind this is highly variable based on the individual. Some people may be allergic to hair or dander. Some may be allergic to nuts of some kind, tree nuts or peanuts. Some may be allergic to pollen, and there's a whole host of other things. But we kind of all have that same end result, where we have that kind of itchy eyes, running nose, and just general kind of not feeling well. So when proliferating becomes harassment. So what are allergies? Well, allergies in the general sense are when the body mounts a major defense against a harmless substance. That's what the whole point about allergies is about. So we have that itchy eyes, that runny nose, that swelling, and it's this major defense despite the substance that it's reacting to being completely harmless. Hay fever and house dust mites are examples. During the allergic reaction process, mast cells initiate the inflammatory response. They release histamine, capillary swell, and mucus production will increase. An example of this too would be asthma. In asthma, histamines cause a narrowing of air passages in the lungs. This can be very serious. If we cut off the air passages or there's too much swelling, we can eliminate the body's ability to breathe and essentially get air in or out of the lungs. Mast cells involved in allergies. Well, mast cells are a main component of the allergic response. Allergies such as pollen are related to the antibody known as IgE. I have a separate video going over antibodies. Like other antibodies, IgE antibody is very specific, and it's very important for all of our antibodies here. One acts against oak pollen, the other acts against ragweed. So we have that very high degree of specificity that does occur. The first time an allergy-prone person runs across an allergen such as ragweed here, he or she makes large amounts of ragweed IgE antibodies. These IgE molecules attach themselves to the mast cells. The second time the person has a brush with ragweed, the IgE primed mast cells release granules of powerful chemical known as histamine and cytokines, and these into the environment, and as a result the chemical mediators cause the characteristic symptoms of an allergy. Here is a prime example of the sequence of steps that your body goes through mounting an allergic reaction to initially a piece of ragweed pollen that really is benign and does not have any serious health threats. So that's kind of the whole point of the allergies here, is your body's mounting this high-end immune response for basically a harmless substance.